Welcome my dear students of class 9. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am Muhammad Azhar Ali Khan, mathematics teacher of Shamsullah Khan School and College, English version, Demra, Dhaka. May this day bring new opportunity and success for you. Greece philosopher Plato says, excellence is not a gift, but a skill that takes practice. On the other hand, famous scientist Albert Einstein said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. My dear students, something that cannot be learned from textbooks. My dearest students, your motto would be a perfect human being along with a good learner. And learners are always like an empty vessel. Receive the good one and avoid the bad. Life is very beautiful. Do enjoy. Okay, my dear students, I know you are waiting for my attractive and educative class on mathematics subject. Today, I will conduct with you in general mathematics. Okay, my dear students, let's go and enjoy us. Okay, my dear student, class 9 and chapter 3.1 plus 3.2 both include this math. Okay, so question: if x plus 1 by x equal to 6, then find the value of x plus 1 by x whole square. Find the value this one. And question B: show that x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 198. Show that. This is proved. Show that. And number C, this is proved that x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 equal to 6726. Okay, my student, I will show it. Okay, let's go for solving. Okay, so this is our mathematics. And this is okay. So you start here. Solution. Solution A. Given that x plus 1 by x equal to 6. So now x plus 1 by x whole square, that means this is value given 6. So my dear students, 6, yeah, so 6 is 36. You write down here, putting the above value. Putting the above value, you write down here. So answer x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 36. 6 is 36. Finished our answer A. Okay, my student, do you understand? This is given value. So x plus 1 by x square whole square equal to this value we put here whole square. 6 is 36. So our answer 36. Okay, my students. Solution B. Solution B here. Given x plus 1 by x equal to 6, given here. Okay, so show that. So left hand side x cube plus 1 by x cube Okay, my dear student, at first you write this formula system. So 1 by x cube. So you think this is a cube plus b cube. This is 1 b cube. So you know a cube plus b cube means a plus b. B means this one b, this one a. So a plus b whole cube minus 3 a b into a plus b. This is our formula. This is our formula. You know a plus b whole cube. Formula a cube plus b cube. This is formula a cube plus b cube. So this is formula a plus b whole cube minus 3 ab into a plus b. This is our formula. So comparison, this one a, this is a, this is a, this is b, this is b. So a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, a plus b. Okay, my dear student, do you understand? Okay, now here given 6. So 6 cube minus 3 multiply this one and this one cancel, this one and this one cancel. So 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 into 6, here 6. So my dear student, 6, 6, here you see rough 6 cube, 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, that means 6 cube equal to 6 cube. So 6 6 the 36 multiply 6. So 6 6 the 36 carry 3. So 3 and 3 6 the 18 and 3 21. So my dear students, our result minus 3 8 the 3 6 the 18, 3 6 the 18. So our 198. You think this is 16 minus 8. So remaining 8, carry 1 and 1 2 11 minus 2, this is 11. You think 11 minus 2, so 9, carry 1 minus 2, so 2 minus 1. So our remaining 1. Okay, my dear students. So this is right hand side. This is right hand side. Okay, my dear students. So to understand properly, this is our right hand side shown. Okay, my dear students. So left hand side equal to right hand side shown. This is shown. Okay, my dear students, this is shown. Okay, now I am going to solve question number C. Question number, I am going to solve question number C. Given x plus 1 by x equal to 6. So left hand side x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5. So we can write here s cube plus 1 by s cube into x square plus 1 by x square. So minus x plus 1 by x This is our formula. But you can write this one because their power is a 5. So here power 3 and here 2. So if you know when you multiply same, so base or power will be adding. So this is multiply and this is will be this one, and this multiply this one only will x, and this one multiply only will 1 by x, and this one multiply, you see 1 by x to the 5. So extra power will be x plus 1 by x. That's why I gave here, I written here minus. Okay, my dear students, previous time I got this one 198 from B, and into this one we can write is one formula, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 x 1 by x. This is our formula. A square plus 1 by x square is a formula, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab, minus this value is given, here 6. Okay, my dear students. So this is our 198, and here dot multiplication, and this is given 6. So 6 square minus this one cancel, so 2, our remaining 2 minus 6. So 198, and this is our 36, 6 is the 36 minus 2 minus 6. Okay, my dear students, this is our multiplication. So we can here write 198 multiply 34 minus 6, because 36 minus 2 will be 34. Okay, you can write here 198 multiply 34. So 4 8 ja 32. Put here 2. Here carry 3. So 9 4 ja 36 and carry 3. So 39. Put here and carry 3. 4 1 ja 4 and 3 7, and this one cancel. This one of 3 8 ja 24. Put here 4, carry 2. 3 9 ja 27 and carry 2. So this is 9, because 20 3 8 ja 3 9 ja 27 and carry 2. So 27 and carry 2, 29. 9 put here and carry 2. 2 3 1 ja 3, this is 5. So my dear student, 2 here 13 and 9 and 4 13, 3 put here and carry 1 and this is 10 and 7 17, carry 1 5 and 1 6. So our result will be here, you go here, our result will be 6 7 32 minus 6. So our proved is a 7 6 26. So this is our requirement. Okay, my dear students. So again I reply, this is our formula. I apply here minus 6. So this is 198 multiply, this is multiply, this value given 6, this value given 6 square minus 2, this 2 here, and x and x cancel. So x and x cancel, that's why remaining 1 and 2 here. Okay, my dear student, this is 2. This is 2 minus 6. So this is multiply. So 6 square, that means 36 minus 2. So this is 34 remaining, because 36 minus 2, that means 34. This is multiply minus 6. So if we multiply this way, this is our half. This is our half. So our result will be 6,732 minus this 6. So our result 6,726. This is our requirement. This is our proved requirement. So left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Okay, my dear student. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much for watching my my dear students, thank you very much for watching my recording class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. So if you get any problem, of course you can contact with me. My phone number 01913 727080.